Whew. Mail time, mail time, mail time. Hey man, who grew up in that era, man? I know it's a lot of youngins that might watch this channel. Or maybe, do you gotta be young? My daughter was watching, so you probably gotta be a little young. My daughter was watching that, but if you know, you know. Anyway, man, look, we got some packages on deck today, man. Hey, first of all, man, hey, what's good with y'all, man? Hopefully all of y'all are in good spirits. I ain't seen y'all in a couple days, man, but I'm back. Let me get a little closer. Let me get a little up close and personal with y'all, man. Hey, it's your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, and I'm coming at y'all today with some unboxings and some catch-ups of just some recent pickups, man. I picked up quite a few things in the last couple days / weeks, and they're all starting to arrive, you know what I'm saying, to me now, so I'm bringing them to you. But before we get into it, man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Roll to 100K, all that good stuff, man. Y'all already know the spill, man. So, hey, if y'all are new and y'all don't know the spill, just hit that subscribe button, man. It'll be truly greatly appreciated, man. We rocking out, hey, more movies, more vlogs, more everything, man. We about to do it, man. 2022. But anyways, man, I gotta start off by saying, make sure you guys do not sleep on the Soul Premise bags, whether it is the Luciano bag, which fits up to 6 pairs of shoes, man. I think I got one in here right now, right? Do I feel? Yeah, still got my Thunders in here, man. So this holds up to 6 pairs of shoes. You got, like, if you're a size 9 like myself, you can fit 2 pairs in this bottom compartment alone, and then you can fit 4 more pairs inside the upper of the bag, as well as some clothes, laptops, all that stuff, man. Just a very excellent quality bag, nice size. You can use that bag, or for your daily needs, man, grab the daily commuter, man. Like, trust me, this will come in handy. A lot of people might not think that you need it, but it will definitely come in handy for your daily use. So this is the daily commuter right here in that nice, beautiful baby blue color, man. Definitely can throw some 6s in with it, man. You see what I'm saying? You get you a pair of 6s, man. Grab you that light blue daily commuter to go with it, man. Jordan 6 movie on the way, man. I think this might be my next video, so soon, probably this weekend. So stay tuned for this one. Got it coming soon, man. Jay making movies. But yeah, man, use the promo code that's down below in the description. And other than that, man, we got some unboxings to get into. I know y'all seen the thumbnail, y'all seen a Jordan box in my hand. That's not the special shoe that I do have to show y'all, but since I do have it, man, let's talk about it. Hold on. Bang, man, that's more like it. So taking a look at the box, it reads Air Jordan 1 mid. Do not sleep on the mids, y'all. SE. And this one right here is a shoe that I been should have got. Like, I had it in my vlog from like back in October. Seen this shoe in my vlog in October, and I did pick it up, but after seeing them, trying them on, and like, I can't sleep on these, man. That shoe is none other than, bang, the Air Jordan 1 mid in the mocha colorway, the chocolate. I don't know what the official name of the shoe is, but this is a fire mid, bro. This is a fire Jordan 1 mid. Bang! Take a look at them right there, man. If you know about them, you know about them. If you don't, do not sleep on these, man. These are fire. This is a fire pair of Air Jordan mids. From the quality on the shoe, it does have a nice, like, hairy sway going alongside the toe cap area, but it does have nubuck on it as well. The laces, that can be an issue. I mean, they not bad with these laces in there, but you can definitely swap them out, man. It does have a sail midsole, so you can actually probably throw some sail laces in there and it might pop, man. So, you know, a lot of different options. It does have like a copper looking jump, man. So, you know, if you can find some copper laces, that might be the move too, man. So definitely just a dope pair of mids. If this was a high OG, man, it's gone, bro. It's gone. This is an instant sellout and a candidate for Air Jordan 1 of the year, man, right here. But like I'm saying, or like I've said in the past, they are giving all the dope colorways to the Jordan 1 mids. Let me know if you agree with that, bro. I feel like we be having this conversation of a lot of Jordan 1s, like, is it dying? Are they running out of ideas? Nah, bro, they ain't running out of ideas. They just giving them all to the mids, man. But that's enough with the mid talk, man. Do not sleep on the mids. Other than that, man, I got some packages right here. Let's jump right into it. First package I did get from, what, Sports World 165, man. I tell y'all, this site, just like sneaker sites, you know what I'm saying? You gotta be on there quick when they drop their things, and just hope for the best, because hats, which this is starting to get difficult to buy, man. So you gotta be quick with it, just like with the shoes, man. So this hat right here, that your boy picked up. Oh yeah, this one is the hard one, man. This one is dope right here. This one is dope. So Does come packaged just like this. This is a Colorado, is it Colorado Rockies? I don't know about my baseball teams, man, but bang! Take a look at that, man. Colorado, it is Rockies. Colorado Rockies fitted hat, that is, and it does have a corduroy, man. A corduroy brim on it, bruh. So that's dope, man. That stood out to me. Corduroy brim and a light blue under brim, man. So, I mean, really, you know, keep referencing these sixes, but you can rock something like this, you know what I'm saying, to offset the sixes, because it does have a little hit of that red on the back tab, and you know, you got your blue, you know what I'm saying, so it's dope. And then it has the blue outline going around the Rockies, like the mountains or whatever that is. So that's just dope, bro. So if you want to like offset it a little bit, and make the red on the back of the shoe pop, you could throw a little red in your fit, throw on this red hat, and blow, man, you got you something special, man. But this is the first hat that I picked up. Sports World 165 is where I got this one from. As always, I be trying on my hat, so let me put it on, man. I gotta put it on in the vid, break it in with y'all, show y'all how these hats look. So let me throw it on, like so. I can rock it with what I got on. Actually, what y'all think? Y'all let me know. What y'all think? We in there? We in there? Blue under brim, like I said, man. Y'all let me know. And y'all be, hey, do y'all want to see that hat collection? Hat collection, y'all let me know, man. If y'all watch, if I get enough feedback, run them likes up, man. 1,000 likes, man. 1.2. 1,000's too easy. We get 1,000 views in like an hour, man. So 1.2K likes. Y'all just hit the like button. Let me know if y'all want to see some hats. I'll show y'all all these hats I got, and I might pair them up with some shoes or something. You know what I'm saying? Make it interesting. But yeah, that's the first hat that your boy picked up. I'll keep it on until I open up the second one. So I did get another hat from the same place, Sports World 165. And this hat right here is, see, I be forgetting because it be taking so long for this stuff to come. I be forgetting what I be ordering. But this one here is, hey, Angels. Okay, we got an Angels hat, man. This one is pretty basic, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing too spectacular about it. All over navy blue with the red Angels logo. Just a dope, you know what I'm saying, simple, classic hat in my opinion. You do got a side patch. All these hats that I do have the side patches on them, as you can see. So this is hat number 2, the Angels hat with that side patch on it, which I think is a dope hat in my opinion. So throwing this one on, boom, take a look at that, man. Dope, man. You know what I'm saying? I can throw this on with, I don't know what, can't think off the top of my head, but it's a lot of things that I own that I can throw this on with. So there's a look at it right there. Gray under brim on this one, so you know, not bad at all. So definitely a dope hat, all fitted, you know. So Sports World 165 is a place where you can get them. I told y'all I'm gonna start putting y'all on game to where I be getting this stuff, so y'all can go ahead and get them if y'all are interested in anything. But let's just pray and hope that they're still in stock. But I can tell you right now, this hat and the one I just showed y'all, they're not available anymore. They go quick. But last package that I do have, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to stick around too long, man, is something that is unreleased, man. I have not seen. Let me swap out my hats real quick. Swap out my hats. Hey, y'all feeling them twists? Some twists? Ayy. But yeah, man, a shoe that is unreleased, and we do not know if this shoe will ever release, man. This shoe is going for well over 1K. So it's a pricey shoe, but you gotta pay to play, man. You gotta pay to play. You work hard, you play hard, man. But yes, this shoe right here, I don't know if it will ever release. I did order this shoe. If you guys watched my last, not my last, but if you watched my unboxing video of my Jordan 1 Low Soul Flies, my Jordan 1 Low Soul Flies, however long ago that was, I ordered this shoe before, like, maybe like 3 or 4 days before I dropped that video. So just think about how much time and how long it took. I did mention when you do get items from eBay, takes forever, bro, just on my behalf. Like everything I order from eBay as far as shoes, when it has to go to the authenticator and then back to me, bruh, it be taking forever. But first things first, taking a look at the box, it says eBay authenticity guaranteed, as you can see right there. Whoa, it's just that high, it's jumping out of my hand. But right there on the other side it says meet your soulmate. That is how your eBay shoes come whenever you get shoes from eBay. And here we go, man, we got this shoe which I am going to be seeing for the first time, man. So what did I get from eBay that cost over $1 band, man? And we ain't gonna play with y'all. Bang! Your boy got, I don't know, a box that's from a corporation, man. If you know, you know. You already know, man. The size tag on this one reads Nike Air Max 1/CJ. They retail for $160. Oh my gosh. And if you got them for $160, boy, you came up. But that is the size tag right there. That's how that looks. You got a little symbol right there on that side, man. Y'all know that symbol. Y'all know that symbol, man. Hey, I always have to put this disclaimer out there, man. It's bigger than shoes, man. Rest in peace again, man, to everybody who lost their lives, man, and everybody who was affected by the tragedy, you know what I'm saying, that happened in Houston at the Astro World Festival, man. But you know, I just pray for the better. Hopefully there's nothing else that reoccurs like that. And I just want to see everybody back to their normal lives, man. I want to see Travis Scott back on track, because like I said in my last video where I did mention this situation, it wasn't his intention to make that happen, man. So, you know, I just pray for everybody involved, and it's bigger than these shoes, man. So if Nike scraps this shoe, I wouldn't blame them, you know what I'm saying? And if I didn't get this shoe, I wouldn't fuss, but you know, I saw it for a good price. I pulled the trigger. I like the shoe. Let me see him in person, man. So yeah, man, that's it, man. You got Cactus Corporation written on the back side, Cactus Corporation written on the top, Nike written on that side. And is that a Travis Scott logo right there? Nah, I don't know what that is. It's like a corporation logo, whatever they got. But that's the box, man. So let's look at it at the same time. When you open up that box lid, you get a lot number, you get a QC stamp. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff in there. So let me check them out. I ain't seen these in hands yet. It does have a white and green sticker back there too, as you can see. But Cactus Corporation on the paper, brown paper. There we go. Bang, man. So here they go, man. The Nike Air Max 1 Travis Scotts, man. Okay. Man, I'm gonna freak these. Bang! Here they go, man. The Nike Air Max 1 Travis Scotts. I need to pull both of them out because, boy, you know how these folks, they do, man. They'll send you one shoe looking good, the other shoe will be looking all types of crazy. But let me take a look at both of them, inspect them. Smell them. Hey, shout out to my homie Retro Wiz Kid, man. These are smell test approved. Hey, man, them joints right there they different, and I think that I can do some things with these, man. So the Travis Scott Air Max 1s, man, on deck. These are actually dope, man. They're when I say dope, I'm not trying to hype them up. I just mean in a sense of they're so unique. This is something like, look at that. This is something just so different that is dope, you know what I'm saying? Like it stands out to me, man. So definitely glad I grabbed these. Will they ever release to the public, man? I heard they were supposed to release on February 2nd, but that rumor was like scrapped real quick because they stopped talking about them, man. So yeah, bruh, got them right here. The Air Max 1 Travis Scott's, which as of right now has no set official release date, man. So man, glad that I got these in my hand, and I got them for a good price on eBay, man. I was, you know, going back and forth with the seller. I was like, you know, bro, and he was like, yeah, we can make it happen. So bang, man, they are here, man. So that is my recent pickups. I actually got some more stuff, you know what I'm saying? Just keeping the buck. I got like, look, like I got packages, bro. Like I got more shoes. I got clothes and stuff that I haven't showed y'all, but this will be a long video. So we're gonna break it down. I'm gonna bring some more stuff to y'all, but I might hit y'all with it on feet before I get to like that video, but it's coming. Thank y'all for watching, man. Let me know, man. Don't even let me know. I'm throwing these on feet, man. I'm gonna throw these on feet. I'm gonna hit y'all with the movie. Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, that is my pickups. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all stay blessed. Till the next time, we gone, man. Jay making the movies all 2022. Peace.